Hi, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef David and Buster. And there's Buster in the background. Just turned on the camera. It's like I say, cue Buster, and he starts with his bone. Anyway, today we're gonna make a beautiful summer salad. Dude, you're killing me. A grilled watermelon feta salad with arugula, red onions, cucumber, feta cheese, and a red wine vinaigrette. All right, let's get started. Now, when you're doing this watermelon salad, you're gonna cut this watermelon into steaks, and then you're gonna grill them. Yeah, you heard me. That's right. We're gonna grill watermelon. All you're really doing is you're gonna start bringing out the sugars in the watermelon when you throw it on the grill. Anyway, it's a different method. Something fun to do too. I grill watermelon, and people think I'm grilling steaks, but nope, grilling fruit. It just helps the sugars come out of the watermelon. Makes the watermelon have even more flavor. All right, let's get to it. All right, first thing we're gonna do is cut our watermelon. We have this nice little watermelon. Okay, so what we're looking to do is make steaks about 1 inch thick. And then we'll take the nicest one like that and that. These we'll just cut up to eat. So we have these nice watermelon steaks that I cut. Waiting for the grill to heat up, but in the meantime, we're going to start prepping other stuff. All right, we're going to chop this mint up. Dice a English cucumber up. There you go. All right, now we're gonna make the dressing. So first thing we're gonna do is get the old trusty juicer out. I'm gonna squeeze 1 lemon, fresh lemon. 1/4 cup of red wine vin. It's a very simple recipe. 1/4 cup of the mint that we chopped. Buster got a new toy and he's trying out the squeaker in that one. Pinch of Himalayan salt, pinch of fresh ground black pepper. We're gonna mix it up. And then 1/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. So before we put this on the grill, we're going to take a little of our nice olive oil, coat it just a fast one, flip that over there, let that coat. Now we're ready to throw it on the grill. Got to make sure your grill's super hot. Press it down a little bit. There you go. Mark this side, and then we take her inside. There you go. There's our grilled watermelon. You can see the nice grilled marks. Now we're going to dice it up, and then we'll make the salad. Got our watermelon. I'm going to put our cucumber, diced onion, red onion, our fresh arugula. All right. Now, oh, forgot the feta cheese. Now, when you're using feta, you want to make sure you break up the big chunks because you want to taste it. You don't want a giant piece of feta unless you like it. Now I just drizzle the mixture over. I'm going to toss it. You want it all mixed up. You want all those flavors in there. And this is just a beautiful summer salad. Healthy and refreshing. It's all mixed right now. Alright, let's plate. Sprinkle just a little bit more feta. There you go. Our grilled watermelon cucumber feta salad with fresh arugula and mint. Red wine lemon vin. Perfect summer salad. So, bud, what do you think about that? You like it? You love watermelon. Awesome. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Aloha.